Look at that. I think it's the first signs of spring. Is it February 1st? Yes. Did I see a bit of sunshine, it's lush greenery, it's birds chirping, and get super excited? Also, yes. So last night I got excited for spring and looked on Pinterest and I saw this cute little Ruffle tote bag and I thought I have to have one. I cannot go around to farmers markets or anything in spring without a cute little Ruffle tote bag. So I started on my Pinterest and I found a bunch of them. Insert images here, so it has been one day. I've been thinking about this all day. So let's go to Hobby Lobby and get some fabric and make the bag. Got what I need and what I don't need to, but this bag is gonna look really cute with a little lever stamp of my name in the middle. So let's get back and hopefully make this today.
So for the bag design, I decided to go with a combination of the two Pinterest inspiration bags with the ruffle on the outside of the bag and a pocket on the front middle. I then made the executive decision that the wrong side is now the right side. Wrong side, right side, not confusing at all. I then cut out my pieces with four rounded square pieces for the main body and the lining. I then cut out two rectangles for the pocket and a bunch of long strappy pieces for the straps and the ruffle. I pinned and pressed all of the long strappy pieces just to kind of get that over with. And so now I'm just gonna go and sew all of them together. And I'm also going to sew along this top seam of the pocket piece. Now I'm going to sew on the straps and the pocket, so I only have the pocket on the front side mainly because I'm lazy and I don't want to feel things hitting me on the back side as I walk. So back side is just gonna be really simple. Sew up, go left, sew back down, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the front side. It's time to do the ruffles, which I'm totally not afraid of doing ruffles. It's not like every single time I've done it, it breaks on me and takes literally forever to fix. So, let's do that. So maybe I'm a bit dramatic. Here is a glitter ruffle. So here I am stamping my name into the lever, which I attached to the front of the bag. I then went ahead and sewed the front and back sides together, as well as sewed the lining, which is the same as the outer bag minus the ruffles.